y'all, it's your girl Destiny here. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below. Now that was the intro. Everything you need to create this intro will be in the description box down below. Now let's get into the editing. Bye. Open up the Fonto app and then we're going to select the camera at the bottom. Click plain images and select the second white image at the top. And then click where you see the numbers at, and for the width we're going to type in 1280, and for the height 720. Click on color and then we're going to scroll until we see the brown color. We're choosing this because we're going to be doing a fall theme intro, so this goes perfect. And we're going to save this so we can add it to CAPCUT. When we upload this to YouTube, it looks way better than just cropping the image. So you're going to open up CAPCUT and then you're going to select new project and add this photo. And now we're going to scroll over until you get to replace. And we're going to replace this with a fall background theme that I got off Google. You can choose any one you like. This one fit my videos better, so I chose this one. Again, you can choose any one that you like. Please make sure that your clip is 5 seconds long. Now we're going to start adding the layers. You want to press overlay, and now we're going to add in our video. You can use 2 videos. I'm going to make this one video into 2 videos. I'm just going to trim it so they can both start at different times. Now for this video, I am going to be removing the background. It looks way better. To remove the background, you want to scroll over until you see remove background, and you will select remove background. It should remove both backgrounds from the images, and then you want to position them in a place where they both line up correctly so you can add your YouTube name over it. 2 double arrows to go back, and then you want to click on add text. Now we're going to add our YouTube name in all caps. The font I'm going to be using today is New York. And we're going to click on animation. You're going to scroll over until you see concentrate, and you want to make the duration 1.5 seconds. And now for the color, we are going to be using orange and black, but again, you can use any color that you would like. So you want to make the text orange, and then you want to go over to make the stroke black so you can get the black outline in. And then you want to click shadow. And I believe I put the shadow at about 40 or something like that. And you want to make this as long as your clip, so it should be 5 seconds. And it should look something like this. Remember to position it where you can also add in your subscribe button. I'm going to show you how to add that in next. Remember to click the 2 double arrows to go back, and that will save everything on the screen. Now you want to select overlay and add in the green screen recording of the subscribe button. Remember, you can use any one that you like. You want to go over until you hit edit, and you want to crop this out, so you don't need all this extra stuff. Just crop it out until you get to the subscribe button. We're gonna add this under our name. Remember to move around and play with everything so you can position it in the way that you like it. Now to remove the background, you want to scroll over until you see remove background, and instead of remove background, you want to press chroma key, and you want to scroll the mouse over until it's green, and then you want to put the intensity up until 100. This will remove the background, and you want to make sure the clip is 5 seconds long. Now you want to press the double arrows to go back, and you want to scroll until you get to video effects. Now scroll over until you see nature, scroll down, and then you want to select leaves. Now you want to reduce the speed to 11, and once you go back, you're going to make the duration 5 seconds, just like the top clip above it. And now you want to select objects and select all videos so you can see the leaves a little bit better. Now for the second layer of leaves, you want to then scroll to nature, scroll all the way down, select leaves, and this time you want to speed it up. I did about 50 for this. It just helps you bring the leaves to life way better, and it also fits the background. Lastly, we're going to be adding in a little sparkle. So I'm going to go to the trending section and select by the fireplace. And then I'm going to reduce the speed of this to 12. And this also has like a little filter on it. So it looks amazing and it adds like a little sparkle in the back. And you want to also make this 5 seconds. Now here I am just reducing the sound to the subscribe button because it's going to be too loud once I put the music in. Okay, so now for the second part of the video, you want to select new project in CapCut, add the photo that we saved from Fonto, make the clip 5-second long again, and now we're going to go and add in our screen recording video that we did off of our Instagram page. So you want to click replace, and we're going to replace it with this. Now when you click the video, it's not going to fit the screen, so remember to just zoom in and position it where you want it. This works better when you have a lot of pictures on your Instagram. I don't have that many pictures, so now you want to select overlay and you want to add in the photo that we saved from Fonto again, and you want to zoom it out so it fits the screen. And then you want to make sure the clip is 5 seconds. Make sure you delete that little CapCut ending that be at the end of the videos because it will save. Now you want to bring down the opacity to about 40, or you can leave it as light or dark as you want. Now you want to click overlay and add in a photo. We're going to remove the background from this, so you want to scroll over until you get to remove background and select remove background from the image. Now you just want to play with this and position it right. Make sure to leave room. Now for the animation, I'm going to click combo and select the second one, which is wave, and I'm going to make sure the clip is 5 seconds long and the duration I think it goes up to 5.0. Press overlay again, and you want to add in your last video. Now this is the video I'm going to be using. I'm going to trim that down and make sure the clip is 5 seconds long. Now for this, you want to click animation, select combo, and scroll all the way over until you get to the smartphones. And I chose the first smartphone, and I made the duration 5 seconds also. And then I'm just gonna choose to put it in a corner and slant it a little bit. This helps when the phone comes in. And I'm also gonna select the diamond right next to the pause and play button on the screen. I don't know, this helps it just move around more. Now when adding these 2 layers in, you want to make sure you leave enough room so you can add in your social media accounts on the left of you. Now you want to click the double arrows and go to add text, and you want to add in connect with me, and remember the font is going to be New York, and again text is going to be white, and we're going to make the shadow black, and we're going to scroll all the way over until we get to squeeze, and we're going to make the duration 1.5 seconds, and we're going to add this at the top of the screen. Make sure that it is 5 seconds long, and make sure to play with it so it can fit in with your pictures and your video. So once you have that in a good position, you want to head over to Pics art, and now you want to scroll down until you get to the color backgrounds and choose the transparent one. Go to stickers, and you're going to type in the social media icons that you're going to be using. I am going to be using TikTok and Instagram, so I'm going to put these on here, and I'm going to press apply, and I'm going to save these images to my phone, and then I'm going to head back into CapCut and add them onto the videos under the connect with me. Now you want to go back into CapCut and select overlay, and now we're going to add in the stickers that we saved from PicsArt, and we're just going to position them right under the connect with me. And you want to make sure you leave enough room so you can type however long your Instagram and TikTok or Twitter name is. So you just want to play with them, and you want to make sure it is 5 seconds long. And for the animation for the Instagram, I am going to be selecting combo again. I'm going to scroll over and select wave, and I'm selecting the same thing because I don't want everything to be different and then look crazy. So I'm going to select wave also for TikTok. Again, press overlay, and then you're going to add the sticker in right under that. Again, guys, don't rush. Just take your time with positioning everything. Make sure everything looks right because you can't go back once you save it. So I'm just playing with everything and making sure I like it. Make sure all the clips are 5 seconds long. And don't forget to customize it how you like it. If you don't like the animation I choose, you can choose one that fits your video better. Now that we have that positioned, we're going to be adding in my TikTok and Instagram name. So yeah, you can follow your girl on there. My link will be in my description box down below. For the font, I'm going to be using New York, and the color I'm going to make the text is orange, and the stroke will be black. The stroke is the outlining. Make sure that the name clip is 5 seconds long so everything can line up together. Now for the animation, I am going to scroll over till I get to animation, and I am going to be choosing glitch, and I'm going to make the duration 1.5 seconds. And now we're going to be adding in the leaves to the background of this video. So you want to scroll over until you get to video effects, scroll until you see nature. And when you go to the bottom, you will see leaves, and then you will reduce the speed so you can be able to see the leaves a little bit better. That will be the first layer. Again, you want to make sure that the clip is 5 seconds long. Now you want to add in your second layer of leaves, so video effects. Scroll until you get to nature, scroll down until you see leaves. And of course, the second layer will be sped up. Now you want to select the first purple slide, and then you want to select objects and click all videos. And this will help you bring the leaves more to life. Then you want to click the arrow at the top to save the video to your phone. After you save it, you want to open up CapCut and tap New Project, and you want to add the first half to the video, delete the watermark video at the end, add the second half, and now we're going to be adding in the music. The song I am choosing to use is by Lately Inspired. I will link it down below in the description box. This fits my video. I'm not sure. You can use whatever song you want. So if you made it this far in the video, y'all, please like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me how I did. It is my first YouTube intro tutorial. I had so much fun making this. Please hit that subscribe button down below, and I will play the outro again. Bye.